everyone. Thank you for joining us today. I am Riya Vaidya and I'm super excited to dive into the topic that's often confusing but incredibly important. Tax implication in the USA. Yes, you heard me right. Whether you are a student, a professional, or a business owner, understanding taxes is crucial. So let's break it down together. Today, we have the pleasure of hosting Ms. Monisha Chaudhary, who is an expert in US tax laws. So let's kick things off with the questions that's been on everyone's mind. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us your time today. So, my first question is, if for someone who is completely new to the idea of incorporation, what are the top three things they should know about legal and tax aspects?
For someone who is completely unaware about the incorporation thing in the United States, obviously there are few things which need to be taken care of. First of all, it meant to be understand that there are various structures available for incorporation in US, be it LLC, C Corp or S Corp. Then all these different structures have their implications on tax, liability and the governance. We'll have to do the necessary search and choose the structure which best fits your business needs and requirement. For instance, LLC and corporation provides limited liability protection. That means the personal assets of the shareholders are not attached along with the business liability. Another point to be taken care of is related to the tax considerations. So we know that different states and federal have different tax structure. Based upon and there are few states wherein there is zero corporate tax liability. So based upon your requirements, you can choose the necessary state wherein you want to get your company LLC, S Corp, C Corp registered. The third thing which is most important to be taken care of before going ahead with the incorporation is the compliance requirements. Similar as tax provisions, there are different compliance requirements for different states in the US. One should always evaluate the compliance requirements, like if we want to go for a federal registration or we want to go for a state registration, evaluate the requirement of the compliances and then go ahead with the registration process.
In your opinion, what is the biggest conception people have about incorporating in the USA when it comes to legal and tax matters?
One of the biggest misconceptions one has after incorporating a company in US is that they will be free from all the personal liabilities and will have significant tax remittances. Although it is true that up to certain point of time, LLC and corporations protect the personal liability of the owner, but at a certain point of time, the government has the power to pierce that corporate veil and differentiate between the personal and company assets. And this happens particularly in the cases where the owner is not able to maintain the difference between personal and business finances, and also in the cases of negligence or some fraudulent activities. Another point worth noting is that although incorporating in certain states provides significant tax advantages, but it may not be profitable for your business nature. So you need to think about the nature of the business and then choose a stage wherein you want to incorporate your company in US. Just based upon the tax benefits, you cannot choose a state and incorporate your company.
Let's talk about taxes for a moment. So, ma'am, what are some key advantages that entrepreneurs can enjoy by incorporating their business in the US?
Certainly, there are few tax benefits which the entrepreneurs can enjoy. First among them is pass-through taxation, wherein the entities like LLC or C Corp can pass through profits and loss of the business to owners' profit and loss, thereby avoiding the double taxation. Then there are certain tax advantages wherein the operational costing of the business, such as salaries, rent, everything can be excluded from, thereby reducing the income, which is the taxable part. few of the schemes like under 401k rules, there are certain tax advantaged retirement benefits which are available to the employees. Obviously, that is also an added thing for the business entrepreneurs. Moreover, some states like S Corp provides special benefits for hiring, investing, or growing your business in certain economic zones. And there are also certain family-owned businesses which are benefited by the tax efficient policies of the government. So these are all the tax benefits which can be availed by the businesses in US.
So, can you walk us through a real world scenario where understanding the tax and legal implication of incorporation help business owners and make a strategic decision?
Let's consider a real world scenario involving a business of a bakery and the owner name is Sarah. So Sarah was running this bakery very successfully as a sole proprietorship. But as her business grew, she started exploring the benefits of incorporating her business. So followed by certain consultations by the tax and legal experts in this field, Sarah learned that incorporating an LLC not only provide the limited liability protection but also will help to pass through taxation, which is a very big thing in the United States. So Sarah decided to go for an LLC incorporation. After incorporating this LLC, Sarah not only safeguarded her personal assets, reduced her tax liabilities, but also positioned her business for the growth.
So, that's an incredible example. So, for entrepreneurs who are considering incorporating in the USA, what are some actionable steps they can take to ensure they are on the right side of the law and maximize benefits?
So, I'm going to go through certain actionable steps which every entrepreneur who wish to register a company or an LLC in US must remember. First of all, research about the legal structure, that is LLC, C Corp, S Corp, and consult a business attorney. Seek guidance from the tax experts and maximize your tax benefits and reduce your tax liability. Register your business with the state and the federal as well. Maintain separate records for your business as well as personal finances. Stay informed about the different laws and compliance requirements from time to time. And lastly, make your business adjustable to the needs of the environment and make necessary changes in your business structure as well as tax strategies from time to time.
What are the potential tax advantages and disadvantages of incorporating in different states?
So many states in US such as Nevada, Wyoming, South Dakota have 0% corporate tax. So incorporating your company in these states will help you save a subsequent amount of taxation. Certain states provide tax credits, particularly for job creation or investment or developing a business in those states. And also there are certain tax advantages for the pass-through entities which we have just discussed. Some states like California and New York have higher corporate income tax rate that increases the tax burden for the entrepreneurs. Some states have complex tax codes and stricter compliance requirements, thereby increasing the overall compliance burden on the shareholder or the director. And thirdly is incorporating a business in one state while conducting it with the other states may increase the tax liability as well as the overall tax burden on the entrepreneur.
So my last question is, if you could give one piece of advice to someone who is about to embark on the journey of incorporation, what would it be?
If I could give one piece of advice to anyone who wishes to incorporate a company in US is to seek professional guidance. Incorporating a company or an LLC or any form of entity in US involves Consulting with experienced attorneys, business advisors, as well as tax professionals can navigate you throughout the process of incorporation. It can help you make an informed decision and set your business for growth. Investing in experts' advice can upfront save you time, money, and headaches in the long run.
Well, thank you so much, ma'am, for shedding lights on the world of US taxes besides having invaluable. And I'm sure everyone has learned a lot. If you found this video helpful and informative, do like, share, and subscribe. Visit www.enterslice.com or give us a call today.